Hello all, I welcome you all to yet another session, and as I always say, the session is going to be very interesting and you'll be able to learn about a new application that you can use when you're taking online classes, or if you want to conduct any online sessions. This is going to be very useful. So this application that I'm talking about is called Figma. So in this Figma, this is the interface of the application that I'm going to teach you. So this application, particularly the name of the application is Figma. So this has a variety of features, like you can make slides from it, you can use it for creating some designs and all. But for this session, I'll be telling you how to use the board. Whiteboard has been provided by this particular application, and I'll be telling you about that board and the features of that board and how to use it and how to take a very interactive class in your online teaching. So without any delay, let's get straight into the class. So this is the application that I'm talking about, and this is the interface of the application. The application's name is Figma, Figma, and this is the board that I'm talking about, that is Figma Jar. So this is the board. It is an infinite board. Like you don't have to restrict your writing space, because this application provides infinite space which you can utilize in your classroom. And also, if you want to keep a particular class, you can also do that. And as I said, this is an infinite screen or infinite space that this application gives us, so you can make use of this board for a class or for a single class also. So going to the details of the features and the details about the features of the application, this is where you can save your board's name. As if you want to dedicate one board to a particular class or to a particular session, or for in that case for a particular subject, you can use this for naming the board, and from here you can name the board as well. And if you want to add pages also, there is an option to add pages also here. So going back to the basics, I'll tell you in detail about the features that this particular application provides. So as I said, this is an infinite screen, so you can scroll down, scroll up, scroll left, scroll right. Everything, everywhere is an infinite space that you can use for your class. Okay, so first feature that this application gives us, this particular scrolling feature only. By using this hand or palm tool, you can drag the screen up and down, right and left. I'll just show you after writing something, how is it going to look and how is it going to appear in your online classroom. So before this, like when you're going to use this application, or in that case if you're using a Microsoft Whiteboard, there is also a board that is called Microsoft Whiteboard. It has similar features. You can use either of these boards. So when you're going to use this board, please make sure that you have a pen tab with you. With using that pen tab, your work will be much easier. You'll able to write very smoothly, very conveniently in your classroom, because when you're using a mouse or a cursor for that case, it will be very inconvenient for you. It will not be like flowing handwriting, and your handwriting will be messed up. Everything will mess up. Everything will be messy. So I recommend you to buy a pen tab, because it is a good investment as teachers, right? So after buying a pen tab, you can connect that pen tab with your laptop and you can start writing using these type of applications, right? So first, as I said, this is the palm option that is there. Just have to scroll right, up, down. There is infinite space for that. Then there is this pen option, and in the pen option there is different pen size also that is available. So you can use this thin option here or the thick option here, anything according to your convenience and according to your needs. For in that case, there is also multiple color options also that are provided here. I can choose any of these colors that I want to teach in my class. So I'll just choose black color as of now, and I'll just show you how to write something, right? Okay, so this is me writing on the board. Okay, please don't mind my handwriting. So this is, I'm writing using this particular board. You can write anything on this board. Anything is possible. You can draw anything. If you're a maths teacher, you can do some anything for showing the importance of that particular sentence. Okay, so you can use this marker here. Then there is an option to erase also. Like if you want to erase something, you can use this erase option here. And to write something important, or some teachers, what they do is they prefer their self-made classroom, right? So before taking class, you can prepare your notes on figures that are given here. You can use it according to your. There are different templates also. If you want to add some templates, you can add those templates here. Then if you want to add some sections, you can just add sections. This is going to be like a benefit for those teachers who want to prepare their own notes. Okay, so there is a section, adding section options here also. Then there are like other features, like if you want to add some charts, like if you want to add a classification while you're preparing a note, or if you're teaching something, you can use this particular application or the feature here to add the rows and columns here, right? So this is very beneficial for teachers who want to prepare their notes and teach students. And you can also add like number of rows, number of columns also. So this is going to be very useful for you all. Then if you want to add some comment regarding the class, if you want to ask students something, you can just add something like please give feedback. Anything can be written. Like this is a very interactive board. This is not just, this was the basics about these applications. So it can be used according to your need, according to your convenience. So this is going to be a very interesting board when you're using it in your classroom, and students will be very like engaged in your classroom when you're using such kind of applications in your teaching, and not only just dictating anything online, but you're using such interactive boards. So I hope this session was helpful for you, and after watching the session, please go back and try to practice on it. And as I said, if possible, try to buy a pen tab and use it. It will be more convenient for you. And this is a free application. You can just go to Google Chrome, type Figma, and this application is available for free. So I hope this session was helpful. I meet you in next session with a more interesting session. So till then, bye.